Okay, boys and girls, we are going to continue working on place value today. Our essential question, what are some ways to show a number? Alright, I can understand that the 3 digits of a 3-digit number represent amounts of hundreds, tens, and ones. For example, if we have a number like 706, it equals 7 hundreds, 0 tens, and 6 ones. So here we have a little girl. She's holding a sign. It has a 3-digit number. 1, 2, 3 digits. Alright, you can say this number is 121. One way to do that is in written form. 121. Another way is to tell how many hundreds, tens, and ones. There's 100, 2 tens, and 1 1. All right, another way to do it is to use place value blocks. So we have one group of 100, 2 tall tens, and 1 ones cube. All right, another way to do it is to show expanded form. That means your place value fact. So the 1 for 100 is 100 plus 2 tens is equal to 20 plus 1 1 is equal to 1. So 100 plus 20 plus 1 also equals 121. So by the end of our unit, you will be able to tell all these different ways of representing a 3-digit number. So yesterday you guys reviewed tens and ones only because that's what you learned in 1st grade. Alright, so we have a place value chart. It shows hundreds, tens, and ones for a 3-digit number. Alright, this is your ones column. In the ones column, it shows how many ones are in a number. All right, you can have a digit here from 0 to 9. So we can put blocks in here or cubes to represent a digit from 0 to 9. All right, after you get 10 of those, we can put them together and stack them to form a group of 10. And we would put them in the tens column. Alright, so when we get 10 of the little cubes, we put them together and make a tall 10. We can count those by tens. A number in this column shows how many tens are in the number. Alright, so we keep these, and we can have 9 of those in there. Once we get to 9, when we get that 10th one, we have to bundle them together and make a group of 100. All right, here's your big 100 flat. A number in this column shows how many hundreds are in a number. All right, and they look like the big flat ones. All right, so you have your little ones. 10 ones can be traded in for a group of 10. If you have 10 tens, we can trade those in for a group of 100. So if you have 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 10 tens equals 100. All right, now we're going to make some numbers today. We're going to start out slowly. In your math kit, you should have some base 10 blocks. Some of you have little white ones, and some of you have some that are black, that are a little bit bigger. It's according to when you started virtual. If you're from the beginning of the year, You have white ones. If you're from later on, you probably have the black ones. All right, so you can pause the video and get those out. All right, so we're going to start out with a 2-digit number. All right, let's do 3 10s and 2 1s. 3 10s and 2 1s, guys. So if we have 3 10s and 2 1s, what number will we have? All right, let's move them over to our chart. All right, you have a chart as well. This is my hundreds, my tens, and my ones. All right, so where will I put my tall tens? In the middle. So 1, 2, 3, and my 2 1s. All right. Now, what is the value of 3 10s? That means what is it worth? We count tens by what number, guys? 10. So let's count it. 10, 20, 30. So I can say 30 plus, we count these by ones. 1, 2. 30 plus 2 equals what number? 32. 3 10s and 2 1s equals 32. I can count on 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. Okay, let's try another one. All right, let's do 2 10s and 5 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's count it. 10, 20, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's count on 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. What's our answer? 25. 2 10s and 5 1s equals 25. Now, leave your 2 10s and 5 1s. We're going to add a group of 100 to it. So bring your big 100 over and drop it in. Now we have a group of 100. All right, so so what is the value of a group of 100? 100. So I can say 100 plus 2 tens, 10, 20, plus my 5 ones will give me my answer. All right, so what's my number in the hundreds place? 100, 110, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125. What's my answer? 125. That means I have 1 in the hundreds place, 2 in the tens place, and 5 in the ones place. All right, let's try another one. All right, let's do 110. Excuse me, 100, 3 tens, and 7 ones. 100, 3 tens, and 7 ones. All right, let's try to figure it out. All right. What's the value of the hundreds place? 100 plus the tens place, 10, 20, 30 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 100 plus 30 plus 7. That's going to give us our number. 100, 110, 120, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137. 137. One group of 100, 3 groups of 10, and 7 ones. All right, we're going to do a few for practice today, and we will pick up learning some more tomorrow. If you want some practice, have someone at home tell you how many to lay down, and you count the number for them. All right, we'll practice some more tomorrow.